Greetings, Earthlings! My name is Karen. I'll be your guide to this wonderful planet we live on. Planet Earth is really, truly an amazing thing. There are just so many really amusing things about it. There are lots of interactions that we all really ought to know about. But more than that, it's fun. There's so many fun things regarding planet Earth. It's just incredible how amazing this ball floating in space it really is. Okay, we are getting ready to start physical geology with lab. Can't forget the lab part. We've got a lot of really awesome topics to talk about. So we're going to start with things like plate tectonics. Ooh, we have tectonics. Here we go. And we have minerals, which we have. Here's quartz. And rocks. Fun rocks. Lots of good rocks. We will also talk about geologic time. Here is the geologic time scale. We will also learn quite a bit about Earth history, in which case we get to learn a little bit about dinosaurs. We will also learn about crustal deformation. You don't squish granite without a lot of powerful force. Other things, mass wasting. We're going to learn about things that can fall on your head if you don't know where you're building, if you don't pay attention to what you're doing or building somewhere. All kinds of things happen. Earth is always on the move. We will also talk about coastlines, where we won't talk about the critters, but we're going to talk about close to where the critters live. We will talk about deserts, where we get such things like this. We will learn about glaciers. No, we're not going to watch the video, but we're going to learn about glaciers. We're also going to learn about climate. This is an extremely important thing to understand, especially right now as the planet is overheating because of what we silly humans do. Now, we have solutions to this, but we have to understand the problem before we can try to solve the problem. The other thing is energy resources. We will also learn about energy resources so that we can figure out where our energy comes from, what it takes to make energy, and other resources from which we make things like wine glasses, we make things like plastic bottles, we make things like contraptions that connect us to the internet, and we make things like plastic dinosaurs. Now, every single thing that we make came out of the ground in one form or another. So this is the place that we're going to learn about all these fun and awesome things. Don't forget about the lab section. It's in a completely different part of your blackboard. It's a different section. There are lab assignments and quizzes, and all that will be in the separate lab section. The two grades will be put together in order to come up with your final grade. I will be available by phone, email, or texting at almost any time during the day. I do reserve a few hours for sleep and a few hours to spend in the evenings with my husband for a little while. And then it's back to the grindstone. Questions are always welcome. Enjoy.